Shenzhou 13 is a Chinese spaceflight launched on 15 October 2021. The flight marks the 8th crewed Chinese spaceflight and the 13th flight of the Shenzhou program. The spacecraft carried 3 People's Liberation Army astronaut corps takenauts on the second flight to the Tianhe core module, the first module of the Tiangong space station. The spaceflight is the first of the upcoming missions set to last 6 months. After that, the 6-month stay aboard the space station will become the normal duration of the astronaut crew. In orbit, the flight marks the second of 4 crewed missions scheduled to dock with the Tiangong space station by the end of construction in 2022. The spacecraft was launched on a Long March 2F launch vehicle in Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in China's Gobi Desert on 15 October 2021. At 16 hours 23 minutes and 56 seconds Coordinated Universal Time. After about 6.5 hours flight, it arrived at Chinese space station Tiangong. The mission docked with the Tianhe core module at 22:56 Coordinated Universal Time on 15 October 2021. Following the launch and successful docking of Tianzhou 3 on 20 September 2021. The third flight of China's Tianzhou cargo resupply craft. The crew entered the Tianhe core module later on 16 October 2021. At 1:58 Coordinated Universal Time is the second expedition to the Tiangong space station. Shenzhou 14 will be in standby for any possible rescue mission. Shenzhou 13 spacecraft is based heavily on Soyuz MS technology. Shenzhou was approved in 1992 as part of the Chinese space program Project 921 and has a design similar to the Russian Soyuz spacecraft. In the front of the spacecraft, there is the orbital module which contains an androgynous docking ring based on a PAS technology, which is used to dock to the Tianhe core module. In the middle is the re-entry module containing the crew, which is a scaled-up version of the Soyuz descent module. The rear of the spacecraft is the service module, which is equipped with engines, fuel tanks, and solar panels. The crew was publicly announced in a press conference on 14 October 2021. PLASSF Major General Zai Jigang is a veteran of Shenzhou 7. Colonel Wang Yaping flew on Shenzhou 10 and will be the first woman to visit the Tiangong space station, while Colonel Ye Guangfu makes his first flight to space. If Shenzhou 13 completes the 180-day mission as planned, Wang will have spent about 195 days in space, setting a new record for a Chinese astronaut. The follow-up Tianzhou 4 unmanned cargo resupply mission is planned for launch sometime in March to April 2022 for the upcoming Shenzhou 14 mission.